will make a delicious Khandvi curry recipe. I have taken 250 grams of gram flour. Add a spoonful of chopped onion. Add chopped green chili, coriander leaves, and ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon. Garam masala powder, 1/4 tablespoon. Cumin powder, 1/4 tablespoon. Turmeric powder, 1/4 tablespoon. Salt, 1/2 tablespoon. Red chili powder, 1/3 tablespoon. Now mix all these things well. Now add 2 glass of water and mix. We will take a pan and put the gram flour mixture in it and cook it well. Keep stirring the spoon continuously and cook it till its water dries up. Once the water has dried, turn off the stove and take out the batter in a large bowl and freeze it well. Now take a cup of oil and heat it well and put a spoonful of cumin in it. Now add chopped onions and cook till it turns brown. The onion is fried. Now add the tomato paste to mix well and add some spices. Ginger garlic paste, 0.1 tablespoon. Red chili powder, half tablespoon. Cumin powder, 1/4 tablespoon. Turmeric powder, 1/4 tablespoon. Crushed black pepper, 1/4 tablespoon. Salt, half tablespoon. Garam masala powder, 1/4 tablespoon. Mix well all the ingredients and add 0.32 for green chili. Khandviyan is cooled down. Now cut it into pieces. have been roasted. Now add 2 glasses of water to it. Close the lid and cook until it boils. The water has boiled well. Now we will put khandwiyan in it. Mix well and cover it for 5 minutes on medium-high flame. After 5 minutes, mix and add coriander leaves. Our khandwiyan is ready to dish out and enjoy. You can eat it with anything. If you like my recipes, please like, share, and subscribe.